Incorporating personality assessments that measure sensitivity into the hiring process can bring nuanced insights for business owners and executives. Understanding an individual's level of sensitivity is crucial in assigning them to roles where they can excel and contribute positively to the company's growth. Individuals with high sensitivity levels are often highly perceptive, empathetic, and intuitive. They excel in roles that require a deep understanding of human emotions and behaviors such as customer service, human resources, counseling, and team management. Their ability to read and respond to the emotional needs of others can lead to improved customer satisfaction, better team dynamics, and a more supportive work environment. Additionally, their attention to subtle details can be invaluable in roles that require careful analysis and thoughtful consideration. People with lower sensitivity levels often excel in roles that require a more direct, assertive approach. They tend to be decisive and can navigate high-pressure situations without becoming overwhelmed by emotional nuances. These employees are well suited for positions that involve tough decision-making, critical analysis, and situations where emotional detachment is beneficial. Roles in strategic planning, financial analysis, and crisis management can benefit from their straightforward, focused approach. Having a diverse team in terms of sensitivity can enrich the workplace. Highly sensitive employees can offer insights into business operations, emotional and interpersonal aspects. And at the same time, those with lower sensitivity can contribute to a more pragmatic and analytical perspective. This diversity can lead to a more comprehensive approach to problem solving and decision making, enhancing the company's ability to navigate various business challenges. Understanding and leveraging the sensitivity levels of employees can also contribute to a more positive and productive work environment. By placing individuals in roles that align with their level of sensitivity, businesses can ensure that employees feel comfortable and engaged in their work, leading to higher job satisfaction and productivity. Measuring the trait of sensitivity through personality assessments is a strategic step in building a diverse, dynamic, and well-suited workforce to a range of roles. Recognizing the unique strengths of both highly sensitive and less sensitive individuals allow for practical role assignment, leading to enhanced employee satisfaction, better team dynamics, and a more adaptable and successful business. This approach underscores the importance of understanding and valuing the varied personal attributes that employees bring to the table, contributing to a rich and inclusive workplace culture. If you're looking for the strategies, secrets, and tools to help you improve employee selection, increase employee engagement, and retain your top talent, then take the Workforce Alchemy Challenge at workforcealchemy.com to learn how.